All right, we should be coming up. It's YouTube time, baby. Let's see what we got. Make sure we're all chilling. Give everybody a second to get in here, link the stream and everything like that. So we're all chilling. All right, we're just making sure we get everything up real quick, get everything tweeted out. Let's see. All right, we're getting this all set up for you guys. Yo, what's up, Eric? Doing good. How about you? All right, we got that tweeted out. We're chilling. We're gonna get started in here. So SEAC is on a very nice pullback from the run earlier, is what I'm seeing. How's the music versus my voice too? Is everything good volume? I just want to make sure everything's solid for you guys. DSS might be good after hours as well to run. I think it could hit 3.7 after hours possibly. Costa's kind of burned me today. Rip, dude. Yeah, Costa's been kind of weird lately. They've had some jumps and stuff as well. I love Forte Biosciences, but I think I'm going to sell out for buy power. I don't know if I want to hold it or not. I just don't have enough in to like deal with it. I mean, I bought in at 26, so I'm trying to figure out if I want to actually do that now or if I want to chill. Honestly, I might even just put more buy power in because I do get paid tomorrow. I could just put more buy power in to average everything down. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. Yeah, so let me pull Webull on my side monitor real quick. See if it'll show it or not. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna just add buy power real quick. Just put in like $100 or something and just chill on it. And then go from there. And we'll have some buy power to do some plays going into after hours because I think there's gonna be a lot of good stuff to look at. All right, so we got $100 that we're throwing in. All right. All right, so that should be in our buy power here in a second. Yep, we got it settled. So we got $100 buy power to play with a little bit now too. You're at MVI. It's about to make me cry, bro. Why? Is it going good right now? Speed, but dude, FBRX might hit 35 today before close, and I'll actually bust. I'm not even kidding. This shit would be wild. Microvision, bro, Microvision is going insane. You were in that too, right? You were waiting for it to pop. What made them pop? Zom's another one just not moving. Yeah, Zom's better long term right now. They're kind of iffy for like their stuff because a lot of people are under the impression they didn't release True Forma early, which they did. And I even saw somebody check earlier. I think it was Bearded State in the Discord who saw the website, and they were like, yeah, we released the full release on this date. And so, yeah, MVI is just consolidating around 17.5 pretty well. There might be a new support here for now. So if we got this, maybe like chill here. So that might be a good support line for it at the moment. Let's make that yellow. How's everybody doing today? How's your portfolios looking? I'm looking fresh, dude. Everything of mine is green from closing yesterday. Like very green. Like you've got FREQ up 10%. You've got FBRX up 7.7, 10% if you count pre-market. You've got IDEX and TANH almost 2% up each. Deals up 2% more. The only thing down is like AIKI, but I expected this to be kind of chill. Their earnings were like So all this is going good though. Like this is my portfolio right now. I'm chilling on everything. I think I'm debating if I want to buy more AIKI while this is low, just average down more. But I'm already like 284 shares in. That's the only thing. I could throw like 16 bucks in. Microsoft deal with the military. They use MVI's technology. Oh, dude, that's big. Hell yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go here. I'm gonna add 16 shares. Just try to get down. Get everything going. Let me put my phone on silent so I'm not having it buzz for you guys. So we'll do AIKI, about 16 shares here. I'm just going to do a market order because it's moving slow enough. I don't need to worry about it. 16 shares. It didn't move my average, but it'll help kind of chill on it. T-change. This is a very nice low. I want to buy more, but I don't want to average up too much more. I'm already above 15, which is like a little high for where I wanted to be. I feel more confident about that 15 line. So I want to wait for a pullback. I might set a limit here. So if it drops to 15, I'm going to put it to where it buys like 20 shares if it drops to 15 or 1.5, I mean. That's what we're going to do. So we'll chill on that. How's SEAC doing? Dude, SEAC was nasty. Like I told you guys to buy last night at that 1.4 range. It dipped and it took off, dude. Like this hit like 1.7 at one point today. It's got so much volume coming in right now. It's absurd. Like let me put the volume and stuff on it right now. Overlap volume. Just look at this, dude. Oh my lord. There's so many buys coming in. Like it's crazy. It's double almost the entire day from yesterday when it was going down. There's so many just buys coming in. Like this is gonna be great. It's so nice. I love it. So this is good. We've got FBRX is just ripping right now, dude. They might hit 35. There's not even a sell wall, dude. They got 1,500 shares to buy at 35. But there's a 10K buy wall at 34.5 right now. There's like double the volume in buys right now than sells for FBRX. Everybody was sleeping on that video too, dude. I swear. It's wild. I don't understand how people still aren't hopping on this. They're just missing out like crazy. I need to like link this to the chat. I'm gonna pin this to chat so if anybody comes in, they can see the video real quick. But this is just insane. People are still sleeping on FBRX. It blows my mind. I really don't understand how people still aren't hopping on it. Like it's going 34.7 right now. The high for today was 34.9. So if it breaks 35, that'll be new all-time high for like the last like little bit. Like I said, they've been up to 39 before. That was back in February. And we're looking for it to return that 40 here in the next month or two is what my plan is. So this is looking really tasty for where they're at right now. Let me get this in the chat. Pinned. Beautiful. All right. Stock is looking beautiful from when I called it. And then we're going to pin this. So we're chilling. Oh, man, this is good. This is really good. I'm having fun. I couldn't get here early enough. I was at the gym, so sorry for getting a little late, guys. But this stuff is looking great right now. I'm loving it. I'm gonna have Twitter pulled up on my second screen too, so we can see anything going on. All right. Tantex that blow me down a little bit, but I'm so positive for today. It's not even funny. I've gone down a little bit, but I was up like $70 at one point just at PNL. Like, look at that. For the last month, I'm up 15% alone. This is everything for today. I'm looking really happy for this stuff. Chantech's my lowest, but I don't really want to average down right now. I don't think there'd be a point for my average. I'd want to wait for a higher dip because it's been running a little bit. I needed to reach that 1.48, and I'm gonna be selling out more. I don't think I have my sell limit on anymore, so I'm gonna do. I just want to get out of it, but I think it'll sell 1.5. I missed that 1.5 yesterday, unfortunately, but I'm gonna put a good till cancel order on it. DFFN's looking good today. Carl's got me into that one. Nice, yeah. I haven't been following DFFN too much. It was too much of a slow mover for me for what I was trying to do right now. I wanted some more faster swings because I've had enough like long term with like AI, KI, and DSS more in here. So I think I could do 50 here for buy power if it hits. That's not going to give me a thing, is it? Okay, cool. And then we'll do 1.51 maybe. Yeah, 1.51 for another 50 if it'll let me do it. I don't know if I have the unsettled shares warning. 15. Yeah, so we'll do 35 there then in case it hits today. All right, so we're chilling on that. And then I'm still debating on buying more DSS. My average isn't too bad. I'm 15 cents above, so I don't really see a point in buying right now, to be honest with you. It's looking decent. I still think we see like next week early, if not sooner, 4 on DSS again. So I'm kind of just holding off on that. Let's check in on FREQ. Oh, baby. Oh, dude, she's running. Oh, that's so beautiful. 9.5, dude, and she's still going. Oh my lord. Dude, if this keeps this volume right before close, we could see this a push for a 10. If we can see a push for 10 for FREQ, this thing is going to go off tomorrow. 100%. This would be wild. I can see this going after hours too. Like, it usually is chill like after hours in pre-market, but there's just a lot of momentum in it right now. It's crazy. I need to put my thing on. Oh, I have streaming. Okay, cool. Dude, I really want FERX to go off as well. Seal holding 5 today was nice. I'm really happy about that. I dipped to like 4.9 earlier to buy back in some, but oh my lord, they hit like almost 5.4 today. They're holding that 5 going into market close. DSS, like I said, is doing chill. AI, KI, we're chilling. I want to check in on some of the other stuff we've been doing videos on too. Notable after hours earnings. Oh yeah, IDEX. IDEX is at 4:01 to 4:05 p.m. So those should be reported literally within the next like 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll see where that's going. So we might see a fun run or a nasty dip on that. We'll see how it goes though. I've got 16 on it right now. Everybody's selling off before, so I kind of want to buy in some more. I'll average up. I don't really care. Let's just do 10 shares here. We'll do 10 there, and then maybe 1.89. We'll do the other 10. We'll just do 11. Call it even. Whatever. I'm not worried about a 2.9 average. This should be fine, especially if the earnings are really good like I expect them to be. Historically, they've ran like 60 to 90, or not 60 to 90, 50 to 70% after earnings just in after hours when they report. And then if it's negative, they usually drop about 50%. So we'll see where it's at. They were at 2.8 earlier. I'm chilling on 2.799 with 16 shares right now. I sold out at a peak earlier, and then I'm waiting to buy back in bottom. I figured more people are going to sell right before earnings just because people get freaked out, but... I want to check back into FBRX real quick. 34.2. Dang, it had a nasty dip. That's a healthy pullback, though. This thing has just been running for, like, days straight. Like, the last 5 days, it's just consistently up. Ever since we called it, I called it around that day that they dipped to 24, and then it's just ran since. It's so nice. FREQ is still looking very good. I hope it closes 950. Closing at 950 would be absolutely great. Steel's doing a large tank right here. That honestly makes me want to sell out of my FBRX or something to try to push into it. I think I might do it. Just do like a market sell so I can get some more seal at that dip. We're gonna do that. If you're holding FBRX long or looking for 35, I wouldn't do this. I just don't have enough shares for it to be worth anything right now, so that's why I don't mind selling it. I've still made like $8 profit off of it, so pretty good. Holding your IDEX shares? Yeah, dude. I'm holding IDEX right now. I'm actually looking to buy more if it dips. I've got some sell limits that... Did they not go through? Did they go through? Is my thing just not updating? Wait. Is it because I'm too close? Why is it not showing my buy stuff now? Did I have orders for it? Working? Okay, there we go. Yeah, they're there. 2.89, 2.9. What do you think about E-Bond for tomorrow? Give me 1 second. I'll peep that. I want to see how this stuff closes real quick. IDEX is rebounding nice here. What else do we have? D-Change is still looking pretty good. I like this growth today. This is really nice to see. Oh yeah, I was gonna buy Seal. Okay, so Seal. We're gonna do a limit and buy like 5 shares if we can. See if it'll dip back down to that 4.8 range. It's got a lot of sell volume, so it's probably gonna dip a little bit. I'll take it if it does. I'm all fine with that. Fintech is kind of all right now. They're not doing too crazy. D-Change is making a last minute push. All right, let me check E-Bond for you real quick while everything's coming through. SEAC might try to go for 1.57, 1.58 close. That'd be nice to see. So after this run with E-Bond today, I don't know. They look like the past few days they've just been swinging up and down, right? Like, I don't really see too much movement for them going crazy. Like, I'd have to see them pushing 8 again before close to do anything, but I wouldn't put them higher than 8.3 going in tomorrow as of now. There hasn't been anything too crazy with them at the moment, so no new news or anything. Let's peep IDEX because everybody's kind of freaking out, selling and holding everything through. I'm just waiting on earnings. Earnings on this is going to be huge. I'm going to Google search and see if there's any like early data that's come out. I'm trying to see if there's anything on social media. I know they had their earnings estimated. Same quarter last year, they were negative 0.89. So if they have an improvement with that, that's going to be good for the stock. Kind of just chilling right now. All right, so I just got an order filled. Let's see what got filled. Silos, nice. So now we've got a position on Silos at 12 shares for 4.5 average still. That's not terrible. They're holding 4.9. I hit that right at the dip then, so that's good. Oh, they shot down a lot, actually, after hours. There's a lot of buy volume coming in. I don't want to average up too much, so I'll just kind of wait and see what happens. FREQ, we're still up like 25 bucks for the day. Dude, it closed 950. Let's go. That's so good. FREQ could definitely see 10 bucks tomorrow based on this closing there. It's real good. Yeah, no problem, Frank. I'm really excited for the IDEX earnings to see where they go, because this could be really nice for the stock and we might see a good rise. Tantech is making it was making a nice rebound towards, but it dipped some. I just needed to get up to that 1.5, hopefully, is where I'm looking for it. AIKI rebounded a little bit. It's just barcoding a lot. That's the main issue. I've still got, I think, working orders on that. Yeah, AIKI sell at 1.15. So that's what we're working with on those. If you guys got any other stuff you want me to check out too, I'm just kind of looking at what we have on our watch list and portfolio right now for everything. Everything's still trending green after hours for the most part from previous close, so that's not bad. SEAC is doing a nice swoop up. We could be seeing 1.6 again here soon. If you're still trying to get an SEAC, this is going to be a good buy range. Anything 1.6 or under is going to be very nice. FREQ is holding at 9.5 after hours. DSS moved up a tiny bit. IDEX is trending upwards going into earnings. So either some insider trades going on, or we've got just anticipation of the news being good, which I think their earnings are going to be solid as well. OTX almost back to $1. Nice. You'll love to see it. I don't really have anything else I want to buy down on right now. There's not much, or average up really. I think I'm gonna put this limit order for 3 here, just in case it hits 2.9. I don't mind averaging up a little bit from here in case it, like, for some reason there's a sell-off and hits 2.9. That'll be nice for it to hit. We're chilling at a pretty big portfolio spread out though. We got 219 shares SEAC, 300 in AIKI, 84 DSS, 25 FREQ, 16 in Ideonomics, and 140 in Tantech, and 12 in Celos now. I'm just waiting for pullback on Celos. I don't want to run and get higher than like a 4.5, 4.6 average right now after selling for profits. But they're going to start becoming a position you want to hold going into April, because they're expected to have data come out that's going to be good for April. IDEX is looking really nice right now. It's looking to possibly hit 3 soon. They're at 2.97 after hours, so that's looking really nice. Seal is still on a kind of a little bit of a dip, so if you're looking to average up or get a couple more shares, it's not too bad under 5. Buy Mara, bro. I don't know enough on Mara to buy it. Honestly, I'm not super high on them right now anyway. I want to see a little bit more out of the stock, but I think they've been running anyway. I definitely wouldn't be buying while they're running. Yeah, this would be like a kind of absurd to try to buy right here, right now. I'd wait for more of a pullback around like that 46 and under, at least. Especially because it's already ran a little bit the past couple of days. How's it going, Taishing and Mike? Hope you guys are doing well. What's up, Gator? Let's peep in the SEAC again. They're 1.57. FREQ is holding pretty good at that 9.47 range. It looks like they got a nice 9.4 to sit on for support. $100, what should I ape into for a short-term play? So really all depends. SEAC is on a nice pullback right now to buy 1.6 and under if you want nice profits. I was up like 60 bucks on C-Change just on unrealized P&L right now. That's a good one to play. DSS is on a nice pullback that you could sit on because I see them over 4 again soon. Yeah, SEAC is real nice. I was up, like I said, I sold some profits and cut back. I was up like 280 shares on them earlier, but we're still up 15 bucks on them. I averaged up a little bit to get more shares back in. We're waiting on the IDEX earnings right now to pop, because this might send it good. This is going up to 3, so I'm hoping we get news soon. I'm gonna see if there's anything on Twitter about it, if anybody's posted, because I haven't been seeing any news on my end. IDEX earnings. Let's see. Is there any latest tweets on it? Oh, I didn't even see this yesterday. IDEX is unveiling more bikes and stuff too. Oh, this is gonna be nice. So they're doing their earnings call. I would tune into that, but I don't know if that'd be any good to listen to. So I'm just gonna wait and see till they report it, because that should be coming out anytime now. IDEX is running, bro. Dude, their earnings call must be going insane right now. Oh, dude, their earnings call must be going litty as hell right now. This stuff is just vertical at the moment. Bro, that looks ridiculous. Let's go. Where's FREQ at? FREQ still 9.5. Still got CLOs around 4.8. D change is still on a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, KI is still trending up. It's just under my average, so that's not bad. DSS is on a little bit more of a dip for a buy, so that's good. Yo, IDEX is running, bro. 3.14. Dude, it's up like $2 since close. Yo, what's my target sell for SEAC? I'm looking for 2. So to fully solid my position on SEAC, I'm looking for $2. I think it'll hit 2 within the next like couple weeks, if that. I mean, it had a lot of good volume today. It had a really good rise. And they've already been over 4 before without that contract. So the share offering was a small discount that closes tomorrow, April 1st. So that could be nice for the stock going into like end of the day tomorrow and then Friday. Dude, is IDEX going to hit 3.2? Their earnings call must be absurd right now. There's no way. Bro, we might be seeing 3.2 here in a sec. There's so many buys. We've got literally almost 3 times the buys as sells right now. Oh, baby. Gonna hop in DSS. Yeah, it's a good call right now. Oh, the 3.2, dude. $3 since close. IDEX is looking great, Sean. Oh, I bought some right before they closed and everybody was selling off, and it's already up $3. Well, IDEX 2.98. Rip, dude. This might hit 3.3 with this volume right now. Oh, so you were one of the people that sold it last minute, Hiza, and I bought your shares? Is that what happened? You gave me your shares, bro? Free gift? I appreciate it, dude. I told you to chill on it. Yeah, we're probably seeing 3.3 on this. It looks like it might be good at 3.3. Yeah, I bought all of Hiza's shares. It's all good. I wish I would have bought them all. I'd be up like 30, 40 bucks right now. If I think the company has good earnings, I hold through earnings. And then like I buy the dip when people sell it off right before. The right before closing only got 25 at 2.65. Hey, that's still pretty good profit right now though. I mean, I got 16 because I sold out earlier at some peaks and bought back in. So it's still looking good. I'm hoping they hit 3.3. Because like only the people listening to the earnings calls are doing it right now. It's in severely overbought range. But the thing is, they haven't even publicly reported the earnings yet. And when that drops, it's going to be even more people. So this is like a very small fraction of people buying right now. That's causing this much volume. It's great. It's plateauing for a minute. I just want to see it if it goes. That earnings call at like, there's no way it goes up $3 without there being like super positive earnings coming out. Keep trying to find it. Let me see if I can find any articles real quick. Let me go on their website, see if they have it on their website. Ideanomics. Quick recap on IDEX. Was at the gym. So IDEX has earnings today. They actually started right at market close, and they've gone up $3 since close with a small sell-off right before. I would assume due to the conference call earnings that are going on right now. It's gone up like almost 10% literally just from after hours. And I think they're going to be good long term. I think they'll be over $20 in a year or two with all their portfolio stuff they're working on, but this is just looking really good for like short swings right now too. I'm trying to look on their website and see if there's anything that they have out for their earnings or anything. So this release will be issued at approximately 4 p.m. Eastern. So let me see if they have it. I haven't seen the press release. So yeah, I'm not seeing the press release yet. This might just all be hype movement right now. But, you know, that's all fine too. Because, like, if this is all hype and then the earnings are coming back, that'd be good. It's already dropping right now, but that's expected. I mean, it just rose $3 out of nowhere. So that's, like, I'm not worried about that. C-Change is still chilling. This is a very good buy range for C-Change still. The 1.53. Anything under 1.6, that's going to be good. DSS is under 3.6. That's not too bad. I mean, it's not really tanking. It just rose so much today that some people are selling off. I mean, like, it rose hard today and then it just started dropping off after lunch. That's what happened. Definitely a good buy opportunity, though. There you go, Gator. Hell yeah. When did you buy, Mike? This is why I told nobody to buy past 1.6, because I figured it was going to have some pullbacks back under to that 1.5 range. Nah, 1.55, you'll be good, dude. Anything under 1.6, you'll be fine on C-Change over the next couple weeks. You'll be fine. It's not a falling knife by any means. A falling knife would be like you buy something at 20 and it drops to like 15, 10. This is nothing. Yeah, CCIV falling knife, dude. I'm just really excited to see where IDEX comes out on their earnings, because this could be huge. I'm going to keep scrolling Twitter and see if I can see anything on it. $2 sell, almost forget about it. Yeah, just do a good to cancel order or something. Thank you for tuning in. So they just finished this, so there should be press release soon, I would assume. They're doing the buses they announced. That's all fun. Yo, if this is actually... Holy... Wait. Revenues for the year ended December 31st were $26.8 million. Significant resource available to drive long-term growth plan. Yo, what's up, Colin? Yeah, Seal was great. No problem, dude. Revenue for the year was 26.8 million with quarter-over-quarter growth. They talk about the industry growing to 19.5 from 2.7 million. I want to see what this is. Gross profit for 2020 was 2.1 million. They did digital asset management in 2019, so they had higher revenue, but that's fine. They did a lot of acquisitions last year. They made Timeos cash flow positive in January. I did see they were in Solo Electrac. That's big too. Cash position is 166 million as of December 31st. So that's going to be good for acquisitions. Yo. That'll be good. Yeah, Mike, that's the easiest way to do it. I mean, I'll play around and swing my stuff too, but I am usually the one doing it. I don't call it out for the swinging on them usually, just because I know a lot of people will kind of screw up on it. That's really good for IDEX though. So what we could see is possibly a good rise through into after hours and pre-market tomorrow on them with more people trading. That'll be good. FBRX isn't updating on this for some reason. Let me try refreshing. Dollar General at 189. Let's see where it's at. Yeah, it's like bottoming out right now though. I'd keep an eye on it so you're not like falling too much. It got hella overbought. That's why it went up. Was there like news on it or something? Dollar General is estimated to be fair valued 3 days ago. So like 200. I mean, that's not great for a long term though. Oh, they're vax news. Gotcha. I'm honestly not seeing them hit 240. I'm gonna be honest with you. Not a chance. Not anytime soon anyway. Have they even hit 240 before? Yeah, they haven't even hit 240 before, bro. That would be like... That would be completely new for them. That's like very optimistic. I would just be careful on it. You're gonna be holding that a while. Like 240 is not something I see on it. Like you'd be lucky for 220 right now. Yeah, I mean that's up to you. I wouldn't sell it lower than 200 to be honest. Just keep an eye on it, make sure it's not dropping too much as you go. D change is down to 1.52. It's kind of stagnating. That's chill for me. I'm not worried about that. What order fills are we looking to have still? I think the IDEX ones. So I'm just gonna cancel this orders because I don't think it's dropping again after hours. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Just get the buy power back. C change. I have a 1.5 as well. I don't really want to buy here necessarily in C change. I kind of want to wait. What else are you guys looking at right now for stocks? Anything good? Or anything you want me to give you my opinion on? I'm trying to see if there's like anything else I want to check right now. Yeah. What's the yeah? What are you yang for? Like you have something you want me to look at? Zom. Zom's pretty dead right now, dude. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would average down as far as you can to try to get out as soon as possible, unless you anticipate holding very long, because I don't see them going anywhere anytime soon. The big thing, I wouldn't sell for a loss because I think they'll go up again at some point, but you're just going to want to average down for a while and try to get out, because the issue with them is everybody was banking on them still dropping PR or official release supposedly of the stuff, which already happened like 2 weeks ago. And they did no PR on it, and it just completely drove it down. Like, as soon as the sell-off started happening, they were done. Can we look at disc? I'm assuming you mean Disca, not Disc B. Or is there actually Disc B? Oh, Discovery B, I guess. Discoveries Inc.'s Class B shares up 94% on volume. Outlook stable. They look like they're kind of trending here. Like staying the same, so that's not bad. This would have been the time to buy into them probably. That $50 where it rose. The sell-off was just dumb. Like anybody that sold off there with it dropping, like you just shot yourself in the foot there. Viacom here I still see as a good buy too. Same alongside Disc. I see them in Viacom, like chill. We're good. How do you feel about RK? I'm at dollar cost averaging $20 in every week for a couple of years instead of buying shares. RK is all right. I don't remember everything they have in it, but I like what they're doing long term in general. I do see long term growth in them as a whole. So I mean, like you see back here, they were 22. They're already up. They're staying above here. This is a good discount right now. So I would say if you're gonna put more in, I would buy more now, more than usual. Instead of just the $20 per week that you're doing, just try to do more like I don't know, even if you got 100 extra right now, just throw 100 in right now while it's on a lower peak. That'd probably be a good idea. Thoughts and cents in AIKI. Spence, you're going to be looking towards whatchamacallit, towards September, most likely for FDA approval if you want the long-term price targets where they go up a lot. Before then, you're going to be looking to possibly swing just for a little bit as they go up and down. D changes down a little bit under my average, so I'm going to look for... Let me just get a buy real quick, and I'll go back to looking at some of those. I'll put 30 more shares in. I don't care. There we go. 30 shares filled on there. 2 cents from getting out of Zom today. Man, that's rough. Yeah, so let's check back on let me put here. I'm going to put a 1.49. I'm going to put the last 17 of my buy power in to get this if I can. I don't know what I filled. Was it more Silos buy? Is that what it was? I don't know what I got. That's good though. Silos is trending back up a little bit, so that's nice. Let's check back in on IDEX in a second. Holding that 3.1 range, that's good. This might be a new support softly around here, so we'll just kind of put this here for now to kind of visualize. And then we're gonna put a resistance line up here for like where it would need a break to keep running a little bit. I need to go change back that one to yellow in a second. This is a pale yellow, so we know it's support. So we'll go look back at disc B for Daishing, and then I'll kind of see where we're at. So after hours, it's down to 118. I would say if you're still trying to get into this, based on where it's been riding for the lows, I wouldn't be buying too high. Just be careful on it. Maybe try to see if you can get it closer to that 115 to 117 range if you're still trying to get in, or if you're trying to do calls or something, or whatever you're trying to do, partial shares, however you're playing it, based on your portfolio. But yeah, so I'd be looking between around this range. Oh, wrong thing. Around this range and around somewhere in this channel to be buying into disc if you're looking at it. So between like 116 flat and 117.7 if you can, really like up to 118, but that's where it looks like it's been trending throughout the day. You see it was barely dip below that one point, dip below it a little bit here, and then like the past few days it's rose up. So I would just be careful if you're trying to buy now, because you're still kind of chasing because it's been up a lot. There still is a chance for a pullback, but since they got a fair rating as BBB minus, they're pretty decent as of right now. So just keep an eye on it as you go through, and then you should be fine if you play it right. IDEX is making another run to 3.2 possibly, it looks like. Big sell wall at 3.24, but there's big buy support at 3.15, so that's nice to see. $3.2 again, nice. So it would need to break that 3.24 range to run more, like I said, is what you're looking at for IDEX with the earnings and everything. Fee change, I'm only down 2 cents now. I'm still waiting. I think that my order down here at 1.49 could fill possibly. It's already dipped a little bit. So if you're looking to get in C change still and average down, this is a good buy point. It ran a ton today. And I still do see it $2 within the next couple weeks to a month. So it's a pretty decent, good set, especially with the, their contract they got, because they got a multi-million-dollar contract with one of the biggest US broadband providers. So they're on a downtrend after, because there was a common share issuance of 1.85, and everybody kind of sold off from that. But that closes tomorrow, April 1st. So this is going to be a nice setup for them rebounding from where you're at. There's a buy wall at 1.39, so there's potential for it to dip all the way down too, depending on the volume. So just keep an eye on that if you're looking to enter. I would say just like enter at your own discretion from here on up to 1.6, however you feel. Hey, what's up, Tony? How you doing, dude? We've got 4.9 still trending for Seal, so that's nice to see. IDEX was great, dude. HEPA is still really good long term. Those are one of the ones that you're going to be holding for months. That's my view on it. That's what I called before when I said it. I only saw it rising like maybe $1 or $2 from where it was before, and it was already in the 2s when I said it originally when I made a video. But if you hold on to them long, they are one of the very few companies working on treatments for liver cirrhosis and reversing like basically scar tissue in the liver and cancer and things like that. So if they get FDA approval and positive data on their stuff, it's gonna rocket. So you'll be good holding long term. If you want to get out and swing it while it's still low under 2, and then you want to buy back lower on 2 after you trim the tops as it goes up, that wouldn't be a bad idea. It really depends on how you want to go about keeping into it. If you're not comfortable holding it long, I would just average down and try to get out for like some profits, because you have plenty of opportunity to average down right now as a whole. So that's kind of what you're looking at with HEPA as a general stock. Yeah, IDEX is nuts, dude. They did literally like a almost 10% increase after hours still. That's why everybody's selling off here. I knew. I just knew they were going to have good earnings just from like what they were working on. There was no way they weren't. I don't know if their EPS got announced. I want to see if it shows their EPS on here. I don't think it does, though. I'm pretty sure the earnings per share went up anyway. Yeah, I'm not seeing. Yeah, I'm not seeing a EPS, but I mean their revenues and everything were solid, so, and they have a lot of cash on hand, so that's a good thing to go. Yeah, no problem, bro. I told you, when I make a video on these stocks, I try to get them pretty much near as close to bottom as I can call them for you guys, so you have profit. Look at C change. I'm already up 284. Like you buy the bottom. You're buying the bottom right here. I told you guys to like watch for this. You stay around this. I have a hard set 1.5 and I'm already up 284, and it's up like what, 10 cents, not even 1 cent. Like I'm excited to see where this runs tomorrow, because it's got lower volume right now, so I'm expecting it to be here. And it's gonna, SEAC is only getting more and more attention on itself the longer this stuff goes on, and especially if they rise again like they did with that contract going, it's just gonna get more trending on social media, more people are gonna be on it on volume. It's just gonna be good overall. You have strategy for deploying good dividends? Some of my oil and gas midstream stocks pay crazy divs. I would just usually reinvest in the same dividend. Let it compound. If you don't want to do that, you could just take the money out and use it to reinvest in newer dividends if you want to really spread it out. But usually if you're in dividends, the best way to do it is just reinvest in the same ones you're already in, really. But I like to do it when if the price goes up and down like crazy, I like to hold off on like reinvesting the dividends if I'm doing that, and then do it manually when I think the price is lower, is how I try to do it. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to check Twitter on my phone instead of doing it on the computer, so I can try to get like faster info for you guys for some of the stuff. GHSI. Oh yeah, Guardian Health Sciences. I've looked at them a few times. What was our Q4 results? They're positive revenue by 110%, EPS of negative 0.6. Yeah, they do, Tashing. I'm not even gonna worry about the tax stuff. I'm just gonna hold money on the side for everything, and then I'm just gonna get all my paperwork to the person that does my taxes this year, and then let them handle it. I can't be bothered to submit all this stuff myself online. I do too many trades. Like during a given day, I could be doing like 20 to 40 trades, whether it's buy, sell, and repeating the process. There's no way I'm gonna do this at the end of the year. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have like a few thousand trades minimum. So, what's your average and share amount on GHSI, if you don't mind me asking, Andres? Yeah, that's what I see. It's been like barcoding hard. Oh, so they did get lost a share of 60 cents. That's why they're on a downtrend, because that was 5 days ago that they did that. $209 at 3.6. Ooh, yeah, that's a rough one. I would just see if you can average down over time and see if it can go over with everything going on and see it. I mean, that'd be a big loss to cut right now. So that's the big thing. Because like, how much would you lose? Like 50 to 100 bucks, I would assume. Like that'd be easily, or no, that'd be more, wouldn't it? You'd be down 1.2 a share. Yeah, so you're down like 200 bucks, right? 250. I wouldn't sell that much of a loss personally. $200, yeah, I wouldn't sell that much of a loss. I'll just try to go down. So just keep that as like how you want to play it, but I'm not seeing anything on Twitter for anything else, so I'm not seeing anything too fad to kind of look at. Prison Stocks, Sorvik, and Geo. Let me check them out. Core. Oh, I said Korovic, but it's probably Core Civic. I think I had a little bit of a dump off today. Every indication of being a possible value trap. Doesn't tell me anything. This is 6 days ago, possible value trap, and they don't have anything either. Okay. I don't know, I'm not seeing too much positive on them. And they look like they're on a significant downtrend from mid-March. I'd be careful playing with this, to be honest. For me, I wouldn't have a very high value on them above like 8.5. If you're trying to buy, I wouldn't go higher than 8.5 unless you're already in. I would average down when you can. But I don't see too much of an upside on them as of right now, just looking at the chart and the general info I can see. I mean, they've been above 14 before, but that was last year, like after COVID hit, and they haven't really recovered since too much. They've been just kind of chilling here. So that would definitely be one you want to be safe on. Yeah, I mean, that's fine, but like for me personally, I don't really take analyst decisions into it too much unless they have like a specific price target I can check out and see. But for me, I don't see like a short-term upside. Like they could have long-term obviously and rebound, but short-term, especially even in the last year, they haven't even hit back to that $10 or so. So I would be really iffy on them right now. I wouldn't be buying more than 8.5 because otherwise you might be setting yourself up for issues later. Geo is kind of the same pattern. It's literally actually almost dead same pattern. Drop off, and then this has been kind of trending down. Here I would try to do the same thing. If you're gonna buy, try to get under 7.5 if you can, or 7.5 to 7.7. That's 7.7 is probably the max I would buy in this if you're gonna hold it long. Hopefully that helps you a little bit. I don't know if you wanted like any other type of analysis on it, but just based on the info on those and how the charts look, that's where I'm seeing those. IDEX is consolidating here. That's good. The change dropped a little more to 1.49, so that's fine. Is there anything I could take profits on? I think I'm still good on FREQ. Let me see if I can sell 5. And then I'll sell it a little short. I don't mind, because otherwise after hours it's hard to fill. I don't know if I'm going to be in a... Yeah, I'm in a good faith value. I can't do that right now. Honestly, I'm not opposed to selling some IDEX right now. What's going to give me better value? I could sell some IDEX. Sea change is already back up though. This is why I want buying power on hand, because I've only got 81 cents in buy power at the moment, so it's the thing holding me back. Tantech. I don't want to cut Tantech for a loss. There's no reason. I mean, I'm only down 5 and we're close to my average. Like, there's no reason for me to sell here, really. I might sell FREQ because I think morning tomorrow it's gonna dip. So I might sell that around then before they dip and then buy back in. That's how I might play that. Let's see if I have any amount of IDEX I can sell. I don't think I do though. I think it'll hit a good faith value. Never mind, it went through. Cool. So that's a little bit of buy power for us. We got 16 bucks. It's not too crazy, but it's like something to kind of chill on. Just short swings. Here's what you got to do with a small portfolio. Just figure out where you can trim and add back in later. IDEX has seen cycles of like drifting in and out, so I'm confident it'll fall back under around my range and I'll buy more, or I'll average up either way. Sea change, I'm gonna do more at 1.49 again. Do 5 there. And then, was it 1.48 that it hit? Yeah, we'll do 1.48. We'll do the last 6 shares if we can. And then I'm hoping tomorrow DSS pops and we'll get out of that some. Because I'm in pretty heavy at a low thing, so that when it hits 4, I'll be riding it pretty well. So that'll be a good one too. Not too bad overall. I'm just trying to browse, see if there's anything else to look at. That's an AMC and GME. Is it over? I personally haven't liked AMC and GME since the initial stuff. It's all fad BS. I don't like fad BS for investing. I think anybody that says that stuff can't fail is delusional. If you have to tell yourself that any stock will not fail for any reason, then you are delusional and don't understand how the market works. Bottom line. Because no matter how confident you are in a stock, the stocks don't care, and there's always somebody with a bigger portfolio that can completely change the market, let alone like a few people with bigger portfolios. The other thing is GME and AMC, they're already on the radar for SEC and stuff. They're already on the radar for big hedge funds for stuff going on. My personal opinion, do you really think if they want to, they couldn't do something to keep them from doing what everybody wants? Like, they've already done that. So what makes you think they wouldn't do it again? That's my viewpoint. It's like, and then even if AMC squeezes, I don't see it over 25, 30 bucks personally, which is the natural price if you hold it for 2 to 3 years without getting in on the BS. So I wouldn't be buying this stuff right now anyway. Yeah, good stuff, Colin. That was very fun. I like the earnings call that they had for their stuff. They're up above 3.2 again. If they can break that 3.24, they'll be good. But yeah, that's my view on AMC and GME. I think a lot of people are just getting very delusional on it, and they're trying to ride hype and hoping they come out rich quick on it, and a lot of people are going to get burned. A lot more people are going to lose money than make money on that. And a lot of the people saying like, oh, well, we're just trying to screw over hedge funds and stuff like that. Like they don't have portfolio sizes or the buying power to make even a scratch on a hedge fund portfolio. Like you're not doing anything with your 4 shares of AMC or even like 100 shares of AMC. That's not even close to a dent on a hedge fund. It's just very backwards thinking. And it's just going to blow up and burn a lot of people. So that's why I'm not high on it at all. And like the reason why I'm not tweeting about that stuff and all that, because it's just going to get buried with all the people that are delusional about it, where they're like, oh no, there's no way it doesn't fail and all this stuff, and they're just going to do negative. Like that's the only reason I don't publicly like do stuff on social media about it or make videos about it, because it'll just be a whole bunch of people like just ignoring it or just talking down on it because they think they're right, when it's going to end up blowing up in a lot of their faces. So that's the issue with it. So Medica, what's your opinion? You either need to average down and get out, or you're holding long, like over a year. Those are your 2 options. It's burned out for now. Go to Yahoo Finance on GME and show them top holdings. Yeah, you think they're not playing the game themselves? And they're saying like a lot of these are they're like, oh, it's because they're shorting it so much, which sure, it's true. But what they fail to realize is with these insider things, they hold 20%, and a lot of them sold out huge positions in the last 2 weeks. And people are countering that with a whole bunch of BS reasons. And they're talking about like that them selling out of that is not an issue, when it's like, if they're an insider in the company, you think they wouldn't know when to sell out. Like that's literally how that works. So it's just not, it's not good. Because the same thing happened with like AMC. Like AMC had a lot of like insider sells. GME has insider people holding, but they're like not substantial. Like look right here, the top institutional holders are BlackRock and Vanguard and all them. You think they're not playing this game too? Like they'll make out more than like the common people will, like screwing around with this stuff. AZRX just got bonked. But yeah, Much Media, Zomedica I think is pretty dead right now. You're either buying in for long or you need to get out. That's kind of your options. Needs barcoding hard. It's literally only barcoded since they did their stuff. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. AZRX. Ooh. Oh, key takeaways from their trial. That's why. So I'm just trying to redo this real quick and see what they're saying. So they said the top line is mixed on their drug. It's safe and tolerated. Our option 2 did not consistently meet the primary efficacy endpoint. Some patients were able to achieve CFA at levels beyond what it's demonstrated, but the majority did not, and as such, we did not meet our trial goal. So they missed what their target was with their trial results, and it's not as good as possible. So they dropped. Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, if you're long on AZRX for a while, this would be a good buy. It's possible they drop below 1 again from that, which I don't see likely, but it can happen. Yeah, if you're long on them, I would buy here. This would be your buy. I mean, they went under $1. but that's gonna like drop them for quite a bit because their data is just not, it didn't turn out how they wanted. So that's why. That was like 10 minutes ago. So yeah, I mean, like if you want someone to throw money, this might be good to buy under $1. It's probably gonna take a while for it to rebound. That's gonna be the issue with it. Thoughts on WKHS? You're starting DD on it, thinking of adding it for long term. So when it initially dropped, that was pretty nasty because of the contract stuff. But let's see. So when they dropped here, it was like, there we go. I had to go back farther. So here it's down 26 and it went down to 14 and it stayed about the same. I mean, if you're long on it, sure. I would try to get under 13. Because consistently it's hit 13 a couple times. Especially under. So that's what you'd be looking at. So in that range, as you can see, it dips below 13 would put you in positive most of the time, at least, even if something bad happened. So 13 would be about a good price point I'd look at for it. Maybe slightly higher, but 13 or below would be around where I'd be looking for you if you're looking long term and you're high on it. And what's going to help is that they're doing some sort of, I believe they're doing some sort of electric vehicle stuff for what I saw. And then they've also got this stuff where lawmakers are saying USPS should halt their delivery vehicle contract. And a lot of this is also because, one, it's in defiance of Biden because they're gas powered and everything. So it could be good for them rebounding if they end up having to cancel that contract and they have to go back to like Workhorse or something. So that'd be nice too. Those are like all different things to think about. But yeah, if you could get under 13, you'll be good. I'm already up $8 on SEAC again. So that's nice. You love to see it. I'm going to modify this and do more at 1.5. Honestly, I don't even need under 1.5. It's not going to do much for me. Modify this to 1.5 as well. If we can get that there, that would be close to what I need for 300. 300 shares would be a good point for me on SEAC, I think. That's what I'm kind of looking for. So I'm just checking in with the Discord. I still got to mod it and all that. Perfect. Yeah, what's the other stocks you guys are looking at right now? Anything good? Robinhood IPO coming out soon. Underwriting from Goldman Sachs. Yeah, a lot of people are going to be shorting that, dude. I'm not. They should just put off IPOing. They're kind of dumb for going forward with that. It's not going to be good for them. I don't think so anyway. I mean, they'll have their loyal fan base and maybe institutional people that'll be high on it, but they're going to get shorted to hell and back. It's going to be bad. It's not ideal in any scenario right now for where they want to be. You know what we could do? We could check on Google Trends to see if there's any good stocks to check right now. You know, people are searching on YouTube. Sometimes I'll do this as ideas just to see what everybody's looking at, to see like industries that might be blowing up soon and stuff. UAMI, SGBX. We'll check SGBX in a minute. SGBX. Let's see what's up with them. Did they blow up or something? Yep. Oh, well, not really. They're on a downtrend. Why is everybody... They went up 70 cents and they're trending top on Google Trends. Are you serious? Why? When are they supposed to host their earnings call? They postponed it. But like, where did they postpone it to? Was it today? Is that why? Does it not say? Huh. That's what baffles me about some of this stuff. Like, that's trending. But there's nothing on the stock. That doesn't make any sense. Okay. Let's see the past few hours. Workhorse stock. So like you were asking about. Microvision is blowing up. PaySafe. IDEX. I'm probably going to do an IDEX video. Go over their earnings. So to update you guys on IDEX and stuff, that'd be nice. So we'll probably definitely revisit IDEX. Just so you guys know what's going on. In case like there's I mean, obviously there's other people that are missing the stream. But that way so we can update anybody that's in it since I covered them initially. Everything's kind of right after hours, but we had like a very green day, so that's fine. Wait, is IDEX still running some? Ooh. Dude, this is fully setting up for a bullish flag right now, a pennant. Look at that. That is tasty. SEL, it's an energy stock. All right, let me check it. Energy is definitely a good bet in the economy right now. I'm assuming stepping. So 127. They rose a couple bucks the last couple days. Global glass cleaner. I don't know why they have that. They make cocaine. Do they actually? I feel like they wouldn't be. I'm trying to see if there's anything. They just have a. This is the only thing I hate about big stocks like this that are like energy and stuff. They just put a whole bunch of random stuff. Maybe cocaine stock is what he's talking about. Like this. They just like go crazy, dude. Like look at this. They went from 124 to 130, 131. They look like they're at a pretty nice buy area right now, though. This isn't a bad buy range, 127 and under. That's not too bad. You look at the 1 year trend. They're on a uptrend, and it's energy, so it could be good to going forward. That's nice. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Still up 2% on C change. Looking nice. They're the only ones allowed to legally import by the DEA. I'm gonna fact check this. I see coca extract. I don't see cocaine. I see. Cocaine is sold to Mallinckrodt, a pharmaceutical firm for medicinal purposes. Oh, well, that's interesting. 100 metric tons of dried coca leaf are imported each year. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, I mean, like, that's, I mean, even besides that, they look like they're on a nice trend as an energy company, so that's nice. Fed's about to beep this, like, bro. Yeah, I mean, they're good for it because of medication. I didn't know they sold to like pharmacies and shit, so that's why. Dude, this flag is looking beautiful. Look at that. That's like, this is textbook trend riding for this flag. This could squeeze up if it goes right. If it breaks 3.25 with enough of a buy volume, this is going to like bump, and it might hit 3.3 if it does it right. There's a big resistance, 3.28 and 3.3 though. That's the only thing. That's riding it really nice though. I like it. Oh yeah, we were checking. Let's see how our entertainment stocks are doing. What do we got on Viacom? 2 SpongeBob SquarePants episodes pulled from viewing over unsuitable content. What? Are you serious? Oh no, they took down the panty raid episode, dude. Are you kidding me? They got rid of the classic like SpongeBob panty raid episode, bro. And then I guess like some new one talking about like the clam flu at the restaurant and a health inspector quarantining the staff. That's dumb. That's very dumb. ATVI's on a nice discount. EA's on a nice discount as well. This is a very good buy compared to like, I mean, not compared to here, it's trended up, but it's a very good buy compared to where it's been trending. Bro, I can't believe they got rid of the panty raid episode. That stuff's been around for what, like over 10 years now? Like if they're gonna do it, it took them that long, you know? Not the panty raid, dude. Oh, no. What's Fubo got? Fubo signs agreement with Marquee Sports Network. Chicago Cubs TV network is going to be available in Chicago. Oh, that's nice for them. They're up to almost 23. Yeah, I told you guys, Fubo $20 to $21 was basically the bottom of this for now. And they peaked 23 today after hours, after this agreement. So this agreement happened like 40 minutes ago. That's nice. Viacom is still sitting in this downward channel, like just consolidating. I think the bottom for Viacom's about like 45-ish as well. Like it's gonna dip under a little bit to 44, but I don't see it going down too much more for everything. Got some buy power. Recommend anything going in tomorrow or hold because the market is closed Friday. Bro, if you're not in C change, hop in C change. Anything under 1.6 is good to buy right now, but this is 1.53 and under right here is good. You can set some limits. Maybe start like, I don't know, say for example, you have $100, put like 20 on it at 1.53 right now, and then taper it down where it's like 40 at 1.52 and then another 40 at 1.51 or 1.5, that kind of thing. Just go through. Yeah, I hate Fubo as a company. That's just like the bottom before I see their stock right now because so many people are talking about them and like going for them, you know? That's why. Ticker is SEAC. I've also got a video up on it that I did last night if you want to check the fundamentals on it later of why I think it's going to go up. I think it hits 2 in the next few weeks, so you can see I've got 286 shares in it right now and I'm waiting for some buy orders to fill to hit close to 300. All big chillin'. Ooh, IDEX broke the flag, dude. 3.25. They broke the wall. Now we get a wall from 3.28 up, but if they hit that, they're running over 3.3. This could be nice too. You're in there also? Oh, okay, bet. Yeah, I mean, just averaging down on them might be good. I don't really have anything new for you to buy right now necessarily. Everything I'm sitting on I've already told you guys about. I haven't seen anything new worthwhile buying. It depends on your buy power, right? If you have good buy power and you want something good and you've got like a big portfolio, Visa wouldn't be bad right here at this price. They just announced, them and PayPal, they just announced cryptocurrency stuff. Same with PayPal, like they jumped like up like almost $10 on the cryptocurrency news based on yesterday. I called them last night. I think PayPal and Visa go up to $300 in the next year or two, both of them, just because of the crypto stuff. I don't know if you can fractional share, but that would be not bad for that too if you just want to like rise a little bit. But this is a very PayPal, I'd wait for a little bit of a pullback, maybe like 240 or under. But Visa, this is a decent buy right here at the 212-ish range, 212 and under. They're barcoding right now. You have 200 buy power. Can you do fractional shares? If you could, you can maybe throw like 100 in each. Averaging down at SEAC. Yeah, that'll be a good plan too. FBRX is going nuts, dude. You see where they're at? Like, they almost hit 35 today. Like, they hit 34.93. I know you're happy on that, aren't you? It's pretty good, though. I'm excited to see the market tomorrow. If Sea Change has any bit of a rise tomorrow like it did today, I'm going to be up over $200. Most likely. That would be great. I'm stoked. This is all good stuff. Trying to see if there's anything else I want to check before we kind of just like chill. Is there any potential stocks you guys want me to do for videos going into tonight for me to look over? Oh, IDEX is running. Yo, 3.3. If it can break through this 3.28, it's got a good chance. That's going to be hard, though. That's a big resistance wall. Like I said, I'm probably going to do an update on that IDEX stuff with the financials, and we'll go over that some, but drop some crypto heat. Kinda. I did a little bit of the baseline of that last night with my Bitcoin stuff with it. It just all depends. I'm more like into like safe investments, and crypto is just like extremely volatile. It's hard to like call like safer price points for crypto when it's all over the place all the time, especially in the smaller coins, you know. 3.28 now has a 58,000 buy wall. If they break that, they're running to 3.3. They just need to get more buy volume. They're just not getting enough right now. They're still riding this flag though, which is nice. We'll move this up a little bit for the new resistance. We'll move this up here. See if it can squeeze through. Sea Change is looking like it's on another downtrend to average down some if you're looking to get in more. 1.51 right now. Still need my Tantech to go. Tantech will be a nice profit when I hit. It's at 1.44 and I'm at 1.48, so I'll be in green at some point soon. Y'all clip that for when he gets rich off crypto. Oh man, I'm ready for this DSS to pop, bro. That's my crypto play right now, is DSS. That AIKI uses blockchain stuff. I don't remember what blockchain or if it's like a big one or anything, but I know they deal with blockchain stuff too. I don't know if you knew that. I'm liking that my portfolio is still hella green after hours though. This is nice. Up there's the Sea Change break at 1.5. A good point to possibly get in. I'm just keeping my average flat 1.5. I don't see myself averaging down anymore. I'm waiting for my orders to fill here though. I've got 11 shares. That would put me at 297 if they both fill. We're big chillin'. I've got is the music volume and the mic volume better than the last couple days too? I feel like I was like super bass boosted the last couple streams, and I feel like I navigated a little more too, but I just want your guys' opinions on that. I don't know how it sounds, so I'm trying to see if there's anything else. Let's see FREQ real quick. 9.25 flatlining, that's good. Closing at 9.5 and then chilling here is very nice for them. I got 25 at 8.4 still, so we made some decent profits on them. Let's check Seal real quick. They're consolidating 4.9, so that's good as well. They're kind of barcoding a little bit, just slightly. Nothing too crazy. Sounds a little better. All right, but dope. Yeah, I tried to adjust it for videos and stuff too, so the videos should sound better in general now too. Let's see if there's anything that I had. So these are my potential stocks I want to do videos on. ABio had a spike, but Lower the music a bit, but better for sure. Okay, I got you. There you go. That should be better. What else is I looking at? Oh yeah, Novo. Novo looks like a very good downtrend to possibly get into. What was the other stock I was looking at? Oh yeah, Wave. Wave looks chill. I think they were doing COVID stuff specifically. I can't remember all they were doing, but I think 29th. Why did this drop so much? Oh, they stopped development of Huntington disease stuff. That's why. Yeah. So they're on a pretty decent discount right now too. I might do a video on them soon. I think they'll be a good buy. They're pretty good, over $7. $5 here is a pretty good discount if you guys are looking for another option, possibly. I need to do the video on it, but like, I mean, this is a severe discount. This is where they've been trading. So like, this is them in the last year. They're the lowest they've been in the last year. Like, that's all you need to know for like them bouncing to possibly 6 or 7 again soon. Even like the past like 5-year chart, they're like the this is as bottom as you can get on a 5-year chart. And this was only 2 days ago that I did this. I don't see the I don't see them dropping too much more. Those are on the 29th they dropped, so let me see. They're at right here. They went from about 6 down, and this was after their sharp drop from up here where they were at 7. So they're on like just a severe discount, and they've got a price target on them from Truist for $17 still. So they're still primed to go double digits. Clearing has them to $7 at least. RBC has them to at least $8. Very good. Yeah, no problem, dude. We're probably wrapping up here in a minute anyway, so no big deal. Thanks for chilling, man. I'll be dropping a couple more videos tonight and tomorrow, so we'll be having those as well. And I think I'm gonna do a market open stream tomorrow as well too. So like right when market opens, we'll be streaming as well. Talk about stuff. Oh, that'll be fun. Which one is this? Oh, this is Wave. WVE. So Wave. They did trend under 4.9 briefly earlier yesterday, but I don't see them going much lower than 5. So you could start a small position here at 5.5-ish. I would put a price target specifically for about 5.51 maybe, and then go down lower. That's where I would put them at for where you want to buy in. Like I said, I might do a video on them tonight for where they're at, explain why they dropped and why they're still good as a company, because they have a lot of good fundamentals. And then we could go from there, but that might be my video I do tonight, depending. I'll let you guys know. And then anybody that's in the stream right now, if you're not already following me on Twitter and Instagram, make sure you're doing so, because I usually do calls like this when I'm not live streaming for stuff like WVE that I haven't made a video on. I'll usually do that on random stocks before I can make videos on them on Instagram and Twitter, so you guys can get into them pretty early. So it's all good overall. All right, perfect. All right, guys, I think that's going to do it for me on the stream today. Like I said, I'll probably be doing a market open stream tomorrow. I'll have a video or two out tonight, and then I'll have another video out around 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, I think. So like right before market close, I'll have another video out depending on what's going on, and then we'll go from there. But like I said, I'll be doing a market open stream tomorrow, so we'll have that up. I'll have like a preemptive stream thing up for you to click a reminder and get the notifications for you if you want. Make sure you hit the noti bell if you want to get stuff going too. But all right, yeah, no problem, dude. I'll catch you guys tomorrow and in the videos tonight, and hopefully you guys get a green portfolio going tomorrow with some of the stuff I told you about with SEAC and all that. So all right, thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.